Hi guys! In this tutorial I will show you really quick how to make these pretty fall earrings made from felting wool. I used orange and green to pretend to be a pumpkin, but the color and size are up to you. First, take a bit of wool, soak in water and plain soap, then rub between your hands while squeezing a little, then squeeze harder. When you beat it well in yourself, let it dry. I make earrings from 3 balls, each of a different size, but remember that you can come up with something else. It all depends on your imagination and creativity. I take the yellow mulline and put balls on it and then tie it twice on the ear wire. And earrings are ready!